Hello and welcome back to the TS Masters tutorial series. My name is Ali Khairi, an ADAS control engineer here at Software Motion Company. In the previous session, we talked about different windows that we use in TS Masters software. All windows are essential for debugging, diagnostic, and visualization tools. In this specific session, we are going to cover how we can record the different type of data in TS Master software, which is very important in the vehicle test, in testing the modules and different stage of the project. You can record in MF4 file and in BLF file. BLF file is a high frequency data that you can record immediately from the CAN when you are connected to the vehicle, and MF4 file is more structured and you can observe the signals that you want that you define in the A2L file. In this session, we are going to cover both of these two recordings. So let's get started with recording DLF file. First thing that you should do is open your TS Master software. I've already opened it. The first step that you probably know is that you should click on Start Operation here in order to connect all the logical channels of the software to the hardware channels. I already connected the Tucson TS Master to my system. After uploading your DVC file, and also I uploaded the DVC file here, and we talked about this topic in the previous sessions, the CAN database. And I also, in the hardware configuration, when I was in offline mode, I select the proper channel based on the hardware configuration. Whenever you are connected, you can check this connection with a traced window. We also talked about this window, and you can see that we are connected. Now we are ready to record the data because we are receiving, as you can see here from the CAN one, we can record the data. In the logging and replay section here, in the analysis section in the ribbon toolbar, you have start logging here. This operation start recording the BLF file here. Let's click on it. The data that we are receiving, whatever data it is from the CAN communication, CAN protocol, we can record it here. Whenever that's enough, we can click on stop logging here, logging stop, and you can go to the direction that you can see that the BLF file is recorded based on the date that you record the data. And also you can go to the offline mode and click on bus replay and drag and drop or import your BLF file and replay it. And you can go to different places, for example, graphics, and trace and see the data that you already recorded. Now let's talk about the MF4 file. Well, in order to record the MF4 file, which is very important for debugging and data analysis in ADAS. The first thing that you should do, go to the calibration window. In order to find the calibration window, you go to the application toolbar in ribbon toolbar and you click on calibration management. Whenever you click on it, you see this window will pop up. And here, the first thing that you should do is you click here and click on new ECU. When you click on new ECU, you find this window here. The driver is XCP or CCP based on the calibration driver type that you want. And here in database, you should upload your specified A2L file. For example, I already uploaded my A2L file for showing you the process. The logic channels, your XCP or CCP channel with the hardware, you should align a logic channel of selected transport layer here. For example, mine is channel number 2. And in a database, you can see that based on the A2L file and DVC file that you already uploaded, you can see the different signals here. In the protocol, you don't need to change anything except DLC of the FC frame. You should put it here 64 bytes, just like that, and the rest of them should stay the same as before. In the memory part, you should enable paint switch, and that's it. You need to do anything else except that you should here upload your hex file. And in the measurement list, you can see the signals that you want to be measured. For example, you go to the database section, you select all of those and right click on it and click here add to measurement list only. By clicking on it, you can observe all of them in the measurement list here. In the measurement, you can see the name, the type of them, and the number of the signal you have here. And the measurement mode, which is very important. For example, you can select based on your timestamp, or you can click on polling here. But I already choose 50 millisecond for timestamp on all of these signals. The recorder also are clicked, and everything is ready to be recorded. In the recorder section here, you should click on record bus data, and you should record file format from .mat file to MDF file in order to record MF4 file. It should be activated, and all the things should be already selected. But you can change the direction and the file name, and you can give it a comment here. All of this is your option. The file name and can trace window also is here, and you can here replay MF4 file. Just for recording, that is enough. In order to record MF4 file, first you should connect your ECUs to the software. I click here whenever you see ECU connected. You can here click on start online calibration. Calibration started. From now on, you can record your MF4 file. You can pause it here and you can start logging here. You are connected right now. You are logging the data. After the time that you want it, you can stop logging, and you can name it, give it values, author, division, project, subject, and comment. You can click here, and you can see the data in MF4 is now recorded based on your A2L file, based on your hex file, L file that you uploaded, and based on that the measurement list that you give. That was the new session of TS Master tutorial series. Thank you so much for watching. In the next sessions, we are going to talk about another important features of the TS Master software, panel and mini program. They both are very important and useful in analyzing CAN communication and in the ADAS field. See you.